Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial processes to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to deposit money from Western Union to TD Bank in 2025. With the evolving world of digital banking, this method is faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're receiving funds from family abroad or handling international transactions, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have a verified TD Bank account. In 2025, TD Bank has streamlined its systems for quicker integrations, so log into your account and note down your account number and routing details. They'll be essential for the transfer. Step 1. Head to a Western Union location. With the expansion of their network, you'll find agents in most major cities or use their app for location services. Once there, inform the agent that you want to deposit money directly into your TD Bank account. You'll need to provide your TD Bank account details, including the account number, routing number, and your personal ID for verification. Don't forget, in 2025, biometric verification like fingerprint or facial recognition might be required for added security. Next up, fill out the transfer form. The agent will guide you through entering the amount, your recipient details, which is you, in this case, and specify that it's a bank deposit. Western Union now offers real-time tracking, so you can monitor the transfer status via their app. Fees have been reduced in 2025, but always ask about any charges up front to avoid surprises. After confirmation, the funds should appear in your TD Bank account within 1 to 2 business days, thanks to enhanced partnerships between financial institutions. One important tip: double-check all information to prevent delays or errors. If you're dealing with large amounts, consider contacting TD Bank customer support beforehand for any additional requirements. And remember, always prioritize security, use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your banking apps. There you have it, folks. Depositing money from Western Union to TD Bank in 2025 is straightforward and efficient. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay smart with your money. See you in the next one.